Introducing the MDO3000 series Mixed Domain Oscilloscopes. The MDO3000 offers the functions of an oscilloscope, a spectrum analyzer, an arbitrary function generator, a logic analyzer, a protocol analyzer, and a digital voltmeter, all in one instrument. It puts the functions you need to test your designs right at your fingertips at a fraction of the cost of standalone instruments. At its core, the MDO3000 is a powerful oscilloscope with a range of models to suit your needs. Flexible triggering, fast waveform capture rate, and long record length combine to help you quickly find elusive signal problems. Every MDO3000 ships standard with an integrated spectrum analyzer. The dedicated RF input channel provides better performance than an oscilloscope FFT and lets you analyze RF signals right on your scope. Add the integrated arbitrary function generator to quickly and simply create a wide range of signal types right on your oscilloscope. If you need to test buses or other digital logic, the optional logic analyzer adds 16 digital channels, so you can look at many points in your design at once. The optional protocol analyzer simplifies and speeds serial bus analysis. Easily trigger on a specific data packet, decode bus communications, and search for every occurrence of a bus event in seconds. For quick voltage and frequency measurements, the optional digital voltmeter is convenient and easy to use. The MDO3000 is completely customizable. You can configure the instrument to suit your needs now and later. Adapt to ever-changing engineering requirements by upgrading performance or adding functionality and analysis capability whenever you need it, all on your original scope. MDO3000 Mixed Domain Oscilloscopes give you the tools you need for all your everyday testing in one highly integrated instrument.